good morning, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, we made it to day four. I'm so proud. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Marian. I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja. If you know what I'm wearing, I just woke up not quite long. Today is cleaning day. I have a lot of clothes to wash. My neighbor is outside, hence her voice. I have a lot of clothes to wash. I kind of went to the gym like 3 or 4 times this past week, so my gym clothes with my office clothes, everything's kind of a lot here. And I need to clean the house. I don't think I've really showed you guys how I clean my room. I don't think so. So I'll probably do that as well. Then I have a wedding today, guys. I have a wedding by 10. The time is currently past 7. I have to make sure I woke up on time because I don't usually wake up by this time on Saturday. I'm sorry, I'm not going to work. Why will I wake up by 7 o'clock on Saturday? Yesterday is Saturday. You'll probably see this video on Monday or Tuesday. So yeah, probably on Monday, I think. But anywho, I need to wash, I need to clean the house, so we need to be there on time because I'm going to sing and everything. I'm not so sure if I'll go for the reception yet. I'm not so sure, but for the one of next week, because I also have a chorister that's getting married next weekend, for the one of next week I'm definitely going for that. So I'm not so sure if I'm going for the reception of this one because I still have to go to market and buy 1 or 2 things to cook for the week. So I'll also take you guys along with me to the market and then make food when we get back. I'm yet to decide on what I want to make. So yeah, let's get on to it. Let's get this whole washing thing out of the way first because this clothes is a lot and it's scaring me, guys. I won't even lie. Like outside my house, just looking at it, I can literally see the shoe I wore Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I've just come out, put the shoe there. The next day I'll be another one. Like all my shoes are outside. I need to do something about that as well. So please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. We are growing. Vlogmas day 4 and I swear, like I actually did not have like a proper plan. So just December 1st, I was like, you know what, I might as well try this everyday vlog and let's see. It's don't run away yet because there are a lot of amazing things to come. Christmas is usually interesting in my house. I tend to do a lot of cooking, so you guys are going to see me cook more samosa. I plan to make samosa this year, and my niece and nephew are going to be around. My sister is going to be around. Yeah, you guys are going to see a lot of office videos because I'm still going to work. A lot of office video. You guys are going to see that till I probably take my leave. I think I'll probably take my leave during Christmas period. I have 4 days left for my annual leave, so I'll just take that 4 days just to rest and chill with my family people. That's basically it. Let's go to work. And as a chorister, I ought to have been there since like 9:30 at most, but I just finished doing everything. I didn't even finish everything. I haven't washed the plate, but later mopped. I haven't washed the plate. I did not make my bed. So when I come back, I'm going to do all of that. I'm wearing skirt, this slipper, so I'm trying to like rush to at least get them before the mass starts. So I'll catch up with you guys
probably when I'm in the market or when I'm back from the market, but I'll show you guys a little clip of the wedding process. Okay, my married friend, the one you can't see yourself, but you see yourself every time. I came right in time, guys. My boss I not came in today, thank God. See my friend. Okay, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Oh, CW, they are doing something, so we're just going to go upstairs and sit down and wait for them to finish, and then we'll start. Okay, I'm on this rope today. God will help us. This is my sister cleaning the house of the Lord.
Hi, Boo Boo. How are you?
You know this girl is a married woman now.
When?
She did that trial some days ago.
Congratulations! That's cute. Who's that lucky guy?
It's one man like that.
Why is he just like that?
Will you accept children lovingly from God and bring them up according to the love of Christ and His church?
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Yes, I will.
Let us pray to the Lord.
Guys, oh, I'm back home. Oh, you guys not believe. Guys, I went to the market and I finally bought the things that I need to make soup and stew. I'm going to be making afang soup, but I feel like I'm going to dedicate like a completely different video for it, since someone suggested the last time that I make like a cooking video. So I'm going to, the next vlog will be, or probably be, the afang soup and the stew that I'm going to make. For now, I'm back home. I'm trying to change my dispenser water. I just want to clean the dispenser up a bit, and I'm very hungry. Thankfully, I have a little bit of egg sauce left, so I'm going to eat that with bread. I have a guest coming over later. I don't even know what I'm going to make because I don't really have, other than stew in my fridge, I don't really have like anything that just microwave and eat. With stew, I have to either fry plantain or fried rice. I don't have spag, I don't have jollof rice. I don't know, but for now, guys, I had to walk quite a distance because I refused to pay a certain amount of money for both. I don't want to say how much. I don't want to say how much. It was more than 1,000 naira actually. But where I'm coming from, I can actually walk from that place to my house if the sun is not crazy. But the sun was crazy, and I still walked, and I paid 200. Don't come for me because I cannot be throwing that kind of money in here. The sun that beats me in camp can still beat me for this today. No wahala. We'll be alright. I'm back to my house. I finished doing what I'm doing now. I'll go and bathe. I'll feel fresh again. Let the boss people keep their money. Hi guys. So I am done with everything that I needed to do today. My friend left a while ago. I finally made stew today and I did not film the stew. I was going to just do a separate video for the afang soup because I realized I haven't done a video of afang soup on this channel. So this is the stew, guys. This is what the stew is looking like. It has goat meat, chicken and fish. If you know me, you know I love fish. I don't play with fish, so I had to throw in a little bit of fish there. And yes, that's basically it. I'm about to go to bed. I just have my bath. I just changed. I will talk to you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Till then, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Help this channel move to the permanent ground. You guys are amazing. You guys are doing very well, but you guys are not watching my videos. That's the problem. I've gotten to 1K, yes, but my views, they've not gotten to 1K. They've not gotten to 1K views, and I need like 4K views or more. So I really need you guys that when you actually come to this channel, you actually take a moment out to watch my videos more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. But thank you guys so much for always watching. Getting data these days is not exactly a walk in the park, so I appreciate all the effort. And this vlogmas is not going to be an easy journey, even for myself. Uploading, I know it's going to be a tough one on me, but I'm going to try and pull through for myself, most especially, and for you guys. So please support by watching my videos and sharing my link. So I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Till then, be good, be kind, be yourself. Bye guys.